Good morning to all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to revise all the concepts in module 4. Okay. We have to solve each one problem from each concept. We have to solve one problem from each concept. First, Taylor series method. Using Taylor series method, find an approximate value of y at x is equal to 0.2 for the differential equation for the differential equation y dash minus 2y is equal to 3 into e power x with y of 0 is equal to 0. So and compare numerical solution with exact solution. And compare numerical solution with exact solution. So find y of 0.2 from both numerical solutions and exact solutions. For numerical solutions, we have to apply Taylor series method. For exact solutions, we have to apply the general differential equations method. General differential equation method means variable, separable, homogeneous, non-homogeneous, linear, non-linear, partial differential equations, like that. Linear, non-linear, ordinary differential equations. First, find numerical solutions using Taylor series method. The given initial value problem is y dash minus 2y is equal to 3 e power x with y of 0 is equal to 0. That implies y dash is equal to 2y plus 3 e power x. Y dash equal to 2y plus 3 e power x. That implies y naught dash is equal to 2y naught plus 3 e power x naught. Here x naught is equal to 0, y naught is equal to 0. So y naught dash is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 e power 0. 0 plus 3 into e power 0, 1. That is 3. So y naught dash is equal to 3. In Taylor series method, we have to find the derivatives. First order derivative, second order derivative, third order derivative, fourth order, etc. At the point x naught. So what is the meaning of y naught dash? Y naught dash means y dash x is equal to x naught. Y dash at x is equal to x naught. This is the first order derivative at x is equal to x naught. Next, differentiating to with respect to x on both sides. Then you get y double dash is equal to 2y dash plus derivative of e power x is e power x only. Now find the second order derivative at x is equal to x naught. That means y naught double dash. That is 2y naught dash plus 3 e power x naught. 2 into what is y naught dash? 3. 3 into e power 0. So y naught double dash is equal to, what is this value? 6 plus 3, 9. So y naught double dash is equal to 9. The second order derivative of y at x is equal to x naught is 9. Next, y triple dash is equal to 2y double dash plus 3 e power x. So y naught triple dash is equal to 2y naught double dash plus 3 e power x naught. So 2 into what is y naught double dash? 9 plus 3 into e power 0. So y naught triple dash is equal to 18 plus 3, it is 21. So third order derivative of y at x is equal to x naught is 21. Last derivative, y fourth derivative, 2y triple dash plus 3 e power x. So y naught fourth order derivative is equal to 2y naught third order derivative plus 3 e power x naught. So 2 into 21 plus 3 into e power 0, that is 42 plus 3, 45. So y naught fourth order derivative is equal to 45. Etc. We have Taylor series algorithm is Taylor series algorithm is y of x naught is equal to y naught plus h by 1 factorial into y naught dash plus h square by 2 factorial y naught double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial y naught triple dash plus h power 4 by 4 factorial y naught fourth order derivative plus so on. Here h is equal to what is h value? Given that y of 0 is equal to 0, x naught is equal to 0, x naught is equal to 0, and x1 is 0.2. x1 is 0.2. So h is equal to 0.2 minus 0, that is 0.2. So y of x is equal to y of x nothing but y1. y1 means y of 0.2 is equal to y naught. What is y naught value? 0. H value 0.2 by 1 factorial into y naught dash 3 plus 0.2 whole square by 2 factorial into y naught double dash 9 plus 0.2 whole cube by 3 factorial into y naught triple dash 21 plus 0.2 whole power 4 by 4 factorial into 45. And neglecting the higher order derivatives from fifth order. Simplify. This is 0.6. This is 0.18. This is 0.028 value. And last value is 0.003. So y of 0.2 is equal to 0.811. Be the numerical value of y at x is equal to 0.2. Next, exact value. Okay, now we have to compare with a numerical value with exact value. Exact value means first we have to find the general solution of the given differential equation using suitable method. The given differential equation is the given differential equation is y dash minus 2y is equal to 3 power x. Y dash minus 2y is equal to 3 power x. That is what is y dash? Dy by dx minus 2y is equal to 3 power x. Which is in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. What is this equation? Linear differential equation. So compare with this our given differential equation with standard form. So here p is equal to, what is p? Minus 2. Q is equal to 3 e power x. So now to find the general solution of this linear differential equation. Okay, na? Integrating factor is equal to e power integral p of x dx. So e power integration of minus 2 dx. So e power minus 2 into integration of dx. E power minus 2x. So integrating factor is equal to e power minus 2x. Therefore, the general solution of linear differential equation is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor with respect to x plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Where c is an arbitrary constant. So that implies y into integrating factor e power minus 2x is equal to 3 e power x into e power minus 2x dx plus c. Substitute integrating factor. Okay, simplify. So y into e power minus 2x is equal to 3 integration of 3 into e power minus x dx plus c. So y into e power minus 2x is equal to 3 into integration e power minus x by minus 1 plus c. So y into e power minus 2x is equal to minus 3 e power minus x plus c. So now to find the value of c, given that y of 0 is equal to 0. So put x equal to 0 in the general solution. We get y of 0 into e power minus 2 into 0 is equal to minus 3 into e power minus 0 plus c. So this is minus 3 plus c is equal to, this is 1 into y of 0. So 1 into 0, 0. So c is equal to 3. C is equal to 3. C is equal to 3. Substitute here 3. Therefore, the general solution of power minus 2x is equal to minus 3 e power minus x plus 3. So y is equal to minus 3 e power minus x plus 3 by e power minus 2x. So minus 3 e power minus x plus 3 into e power 2x. So y of x is equal to minus 3 into e power minus x into e power 2x plus 3 into e power 2x. So minus 3 into e power x plus 3 into e power 2x. So y of x is equal to 3 common e power 2x minus e power x. So this is the general solution of the given initial value problem 1. So from this general solution, we have to find the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. So that value is the exact value. That value is the exact value. Put x is equal to 0.2. Then we get the exact value. The exact value of y at x is equal to 0.2 is y of 0.2 is equal to 3 into e power 2 into 0.2 minus e power 0.2. Just calculate the value.
0.8112, sir.
Very good. 0.811.
265.
112.
265, sir.
Okay, 265. Numerical value is 0.811. Exact value is 0.811265. So hence the numerical and exact values are approximately same. Find the error. Error means exact value minus numerical value. If error value is very, very small, then these two values are approximately same. So sometimes the question is like this: compare the numerical value with exact value. So in Taylor series method, find the derivatives up to fourth order. Up to fourth order. Already first order is given. So now to find second order, third order, fourth order. Next second one. solve dy by dx is equal to 2x minus y with y of 1 is equal to 3 using Picard's method. The given initial value problem is dy by dx is equal to 2x minus y with y of 1 is equal to 3. Here f of x comma y is equal to 2x minus y. X naught is equal to 1. Y naught is equal to 3. So to find out the first approximation, second approximation, third, etc. What is the formula? We have Picard's algorithm or Picard's method. What is the formula? Y of x is equal to y naught plus integration of f of x comma y dx. From the limits x naught to x. Over r yn of x is equal to y naught plus integration from x naught to x f of x comma y of n minus 1. The second one is the nth approximation formula, general nth approximation formula. First approximation, y1 of x is equal to y naught plus integration from x naught to x f of x comma initial approximation y naught dx. So what is y naught? 3 plus integration from 1 to x f of x comma 3 dx. So y1 of x is equal to 3 plus integration from 1 to x f of x comma 3 2x minus 3 dx. 3 plus integration of 2x square by 2 minus 3x from the limits 1 to x. So 3 plus for upper limit 2x square by 2 minus 3x, for lower limit minus 2 by 2 plus 3. So 3 plus x square minus 3x minus 1 plus 3. So the first approximation in terms of x is y1 of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 5. This is the first approximation. Here solve dy by dx is equal to x minus y with y of 1 is equal to 3 using Picard's method. Okay, so find only approximations. Find only first approximation, second, third, fourth. Second, y2 of x is equal to y naught plus integration from x naught to x f of x comma y1 of x dx. Find only approximations. So y naught plus integration from x naught to x f of x comma y1. What is y1? X square minus 3x plus 5. So y naught is 3, x naught is 1, 1 to x, f of x to x minus y, x square minus 3x plus 5. 3 plus integration from 1 to x, 2x minus x square plus 3x minus 5. 3 plus integration from 1 to x, so minus x square plus 5x minus 5. Integrating 3 plus integration of minus x square minus x cube by 3 plus 5x square by 2 minus 5x from 1 to x. Three plus first term x minus x cube by 3 plus 5x square by 2 minus 5x plus 5x square by 2 minus 5x minus of at x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 2 minus 5. So the second approximation is y2 of x is equal to 3 plus minus x cube by 3 plus 5x square by 2 minus 5x minus of LCM is 6 minus 2 plus 15 minus 30. So the second approximation is y2 of x is equal to 3 minus x cube by 3 plus 5x square by 2 minus 5x minus 2 plus 15, 13, 13 minus 30, 17, minus 17 into minus, so plus 17 by 6. So y2 of x is equal to minus x cube by 3 plus 5x square by 2 minus 5x. LCM 6 into 3, 18, 18 plus 17, 35. So 35 by 6. So this is the second approximation. Similarly, we get the third approximation is y3 of x is equal to 71 by 12 minus 35 by 6x plus 7x square by 2 minus 5x cube by 6 plus x power 4 by 12.
Sir, how many approximations should we find, sir?
Actually, suppose find the value of y at x is equal to 0.2. Then we have to calculate first approximation, second approximation, third approximation, correct to 4 decimal places. correct to 4 decimal places. Okay na? But here x value is not given, so in this case, okay na, find up to third approximation, find up to third approximation, and that depends on the function. That depends on the function. If suppose function is a simple function like 2x minus y, x square, y square, etc., it is better to find third approximation. Suppose function is a complicated function, that means that is a rational function. Rational function means like this: y minus x by y plus x. Sometimes log of x square plus 3. So for this type of complicated functions, find approximations up to either second, first or second. So find the approximation based on the type of the function, either complicated or simple functions. So in maximum number of cases, find the value of y at x is equal to some point, either 0.2 or 0.4 or 0.6, etc. In that cases, find the approximations at x is equal to 0.2. Second approximation at x is equal to 0.2. Third approximation at x is equal to 0.2. So we have to find the approximations up to correct to 4 decimal places. Correct to 4 decimal places. (71 by 12 minus 35x by 6 plus 7x square by 2 minus 5x cube by 6 plus x power 4 by 12. Okay. Last one, use Euler's method. To find y of 0.1 from y dash is equal to x square minus y. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Euler's method, single step method. Okay, na? Y of 0 is equal to 1. X naught is equal to 0. We have to find out y of 0.1. X1 is equal to 0.1. Okay, na? So y naught is 1. We have to calculate y1. Y1 means y of x1. Y of 0.1. So to calculate this value from one step only. Okay, na? The given initial value problem is y dash is equal to x square minus y, with y of 0 is equal to 1. Here f of x comma y is equal to x square minus y. X naught is equal to 0. Y naught is equal to 1. by Euler's method. By Euler's method, what's the formula for Euler's method? Yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn. We have to find out only y1. Put n is equal to 0. So y1 is equal to y naught plus h into f of x naught comma y naught. So y1 is equal to y of x1 is equal to y of 0.1 is equal to y naught value 1, h value 0.1, f of x naught value 0. This is 1. So y of 0.1 is equal to 1 plus 0.1 into f of 0 comma 1, 0 square minus 1. 1 plus 0.1 into minus 1. 1 minus 0.1, 0.9. So y of 0.1 is equal to 0.9. Suppose find y2. y2 means y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. x1 comma y1. Okay, thank you, Ananda. All the best. What are the exam timings? What are the exam timings on Monday?
12:15 to 1.
12:15 to 1. Okay. Okay, thank you. I'm closing the session.